Welcome to the GSI Ad Exchange tutorial for purchasing advertising on the GSI Live Home Shopping Network, brought to you by 1 Billion Live. I'm Mark Ibarra. First, a disclaimer. We are not offering stocks, bonds, or any securities, or any advice on how to purchase stocks, bonds, or any securities. And we are not registered investment advisors. Also, the price of the GSI advertising in this tutorial is only for illustrative purposes and does not reflect the actual price of GSI advertising. Now let's get started. So you want to buy an ad on the GSI Live Home Shopping Network. Well, your first step is to go to 1billionlive.com and visit the GSI Ad Exchange. Once you're there, you will see a green box on your right. That's the sale price. The lowest price any seller is willing to accept in order to sell a GSI advertisement right now. You'll see the sale price in this tutorial is $100. So let's say you go ahead and purchase that. You spend your $100 you invested, and now you own a GSI advertising space. You have two options now. You can trade your ad space on the GSI Ad Exchange, or you can use your advertising space to advertise products and services for your business. Let's take a look at each option. Option 1, you want to trade your ad space. In this case, you look at the blue box on your left. That's the buy price. The highest price any buyer is willing to pay to purchase a GSI advertisement right now. The buy price is $150. The sale price is $100. So if you purchase the advertisement space for $100 and you sold it to another potential advertiser, business, or individual for $150, you would profit $50. That's money you've made without doing any work or taking any risk. Now, the next step would be to advertise and sell your own products on the GSI Live Home Shopping Network. And all you would have to do then is get a GSI analysis that certifies the amount of money you're going to make. And you will make at least $100 or more if you use the advertisement for yourself. So what's happening here? If you trade it, you make $150. If you use it, you make $100 or more. And you know what that is because you have a certified GSI analysis. Bottom line, you can't lose any money. Your profits are guaranteed to increase. And that makes the GSI advertising space the most valuable advertising in the world. And if you're wondering why the buy price is $150 more than the sale price, that's because potential advertisers want this ad space. Every business wants to make guaranteed sales increases, and 1 Billion Live Inc. and its GSI Live Home Shopping Network is the only media company in the world that can provide it. That means potential advertisers will bid to buy your ad space, and the price will go up, and you will profit and profit and profit from it. And that's how it works. To get started, you just contact your GSI advisor and let them know you want to purchase advertising on the GSI Live Home Shopping Network and that you want to either trade it or use it. And they'll help you get started. So until then, I'm wishing you a profitable day. And remember, before you buy, get a GSI.